Hello and welcome to Happy Ghar. Today I am going to tell you a life cycle of a pumpkin plant. I grew this in the month of October near Halloween, and look, in 2 months it's grown. Now I'm going to tell you how its life cycle goes. First, it's a seed. Then it's a sprout. Next, it's a vine. Next, it's a small green pumpkin. And lastly, it's an orange big pumpkin. Most of my friends grew this pumpkin plant, but most of them forgot to write water or plant. So they didn't got water or sunshine. But luckily, my plant got everything and now it has grown. Look. This is the stem. These are the roots. These are the leaves. It has 4 big leaves and it has 4 small baby leaves. Thank you. Bye.